Hello, everybody. This is Michael Yale Silver from Michael Leslie Investments LLC. I'm a portfolio manager there, and this is our channel for Michael Leslie Investments. And so for today, we're going to be talking about we got a couple things on the agenda, but first we're going to be talking about our recent article that we posted um, July 14th. It's about DraftKings stock. So we're gonna run through DraftKings stock as a strong buying opportunity right now for multiple reasons. We have a lot of stocks that are strong buying opportunity, but we're gonna go through and we're look at this article and any comments. Tell me what you guys think about this article. So DraftKings stands out as a leader in online sports betting and casino. Um, eh, um, One of the important aspects of the stock is that we're in the technical setup. We have a double top pattern, and that indicates there's going to be upside. So I'm looking at the graph right now. You can see in 2021 it was at a high, and then 2025 is at a high. So we're looking at a stock that can get back to previous highs. There's a common mindset that it will get to back to previous highs, so that allows the buyers to stay in the game longer, you know, as a technical from a technical setup. So the other thing is, not only do we have the technical analysis to back up this stock, but we also have the industry momentum that where online gambling is starting to take off. So I'm gonna read the second paragraph in this in our article that we want you guys to read. Online sports betting and casino platforms are in the early stages of explosive growth. U.S. industry revenue rose nearly 20% in Q1 2025, supported by expanding state legalization, mobile adoption, and rising consumer interest. Analysts predict the global online gambling market will reach nearly 40 billion by 2030, with the U.S. playing a central role. DraftKings shines as a tech-first operator, constantly improving its platform through data-driven odds and new verticals. Its recent innovation in live event betting and slot game places it ahead of the competition. So, so that's the second reason we really like DraftKings, is that not only, you know, I mean, the stock should be in your portfolio at some point, but not only is there the technical analysis, but we're in an industry that is taking off. That even if it wasn't an all-time high, even if it's been on a big rally, and it has a graph as steep as a Nvidia, say, it's still there's still the reason that it's a leader, and the industry is moving. The third paragraph, what I just talked about, it's leading the pack. DraftKings is by far the leader in the app game, the casino app, the betting app game. Everyone knows about it. Everyone uses it. It's convenient. A friend tells a friend, he's on it right away. There's ways to be interactive with friends on it. You can play against your friends. It's a leader. So if you're going to go with the casino app, or if you're going to bet on betting, if you're going to bet on casino and that industry, then you want to bet on DraftKings. Um, The other thing is, as always, we want to, buying the dip is a good opportunity because it's a chance to buy a good company like DraftKings at a better valuation. You get if it rises quickly or rallies. Some of my other articles talk about how stocks tend to rally faster when they fall in if they're strong companies. So you can get definitely a lot more money for a better you get a better capital gains on your investment if you buy the dip. Generally, if it's a good company and it rallies or it goes to new highs. And then and then if you want to give us a call to talk more about your portfolio or specific stocks, we do both. We do active management, and so we have upgraded DraftKings to a strong buy. Just the final words, backed by its clear leadership position, compelling risk to reward in the 6 to 12 month time frame. So we think in this next 6 to 12 months there's going to be a rally. but we also like it long term too. It's a with its diversified app ecosystem and consumer first platform, DraftKings offers both short term and long term upside. So schedule a call with us or join our daily newsletter. We will be talking about Robinhood later. There's been some news with Robinhood. It's been on a big run, so stay tuned for our next video for Michael Leslie Investments.